Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a chocolate raspberry lava cake. So let's get started. First, preheat the oven to 400 degrees. Then in a heat-proof bowl, add in the butter and dark chocolate. Then heat them either in the microwave or over a double boiler until they're both melted. Then set it aside for now and let it cool to room temperature. Then in the bowl of a stand mixer, or you can use an electric hand mixer, add in the eggs, egg yolks, sugar, and salt, and beat them on high speed for 5 minutes until they become really thick and pale in color. Then turn the speeds down to low and slowly pour the chocolate mixture in while the mixer is running on low speed. Make sure the chocolate mixture is at room temperature. Then once it's mostly combined, turn off the mixer and sift in the flour and mix it in on low speed until it's mostly combined. Then finish it by hand to make sure all the ingredients are mixing in, but don't overmix because you don't want to lose a lot of the air. Then to make the raspberry sauce in a small bowl, add the raspberries and raspberry jelly, and then mash them up using a fork. And if you would like it to be completely smooth, you can pass it through a sieve to get rid of all the seeds. Then grease 6 ramekins with nonstick cooking spray. Then add a scoop of the batter into each one. Then pick up each one and shake it so it covers the bottom. Then make a well in the center of each one. Then spoon in some of the raspberry sauce. Don't worry if some of it comes up and out of the wells that we made. Then scoop more of the batter on top of each one. And bake them in the oven for about 10 minutes. Try and watch them carefully because they can go from underbaked to overbaked quickly. And once they're done, remove them from the oven and let them cool for about 5 minutes. Then to turn them out, run a butter knife around the edges. Then place your serving plate on top, and it's still hot, so use a hot pad to flip it over. And let it sit for 30 seconds just like this. And carefully remove the ramekin. If you don't want to turn it out, you can serve it in the same ramekin you baked it in. Just let it cool until it's warm enough to handle. And if you like, you can add a scoop of ice cream and additional raspberry sauce if you like. And that's how to make a chocolate raspberry lava cake. Check out more of my videos here and subscribe to my channel here so you don't miss out on any of my videos. I hope you enjoyed this recipe and this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.